left to right, and subtract left to right.
Whoever's next, go right ahead.
Grouping, exponents, multiplying, divide, whatever comes first, and subtract whatever comes first. Grouping, exponents, multiplying, divide, left to right, and subtract left to right. Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide whatever comes first, and subtract whatever comes first. Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide whatever comes first, and subtract whatever comes first. Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide whatever comes first, and subtract whatever comes first. Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, and subtract left to right. Grouping, exponent, multiplying and dividing whatever comes first, adding, subtracting left.
Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide from left to right, and subtract from left to right.
Grouping, exponents, multiplying and dividing left to right, adding and subtracting left to right.
Grouping, exponents, multiplying, dividing, whatever comes first, adding and subtracting, whatever comes first. Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, and subtract left to right.
Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, and subtract left to right.
Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, and subtract left to right.
Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, and subtract left to right. Grouping, exponents, multiplying and dividing left to right, adding and subtracting left to right. Grouping, exponents, multiply or divide left to right, add and subtract left to right.
Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right. Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide whichever comes first, add and subtracting whichever comes first.
Keep going. Who's next?
You don't have to pick a line. Grouping, exponent, multiplying, dividing, whichever comes first, and subtracting whichever comes first.
Grouping, exponents, multiply and division, whichever one comes first, adding, subtracting, whichever one comes first.
Let's go.
Grouping, exponents, multiplying, dividing, whichever comes first, adding, subtracting, whichever one comes first.
Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide, whichever comes first, add, subtract, whichever comes first.
Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide, whatever comes first, add and subtract whatever comes first.
Let's go. Keep it going. Come on. Hurry up.
Grouping, exponents, multiplying, dividing, whichever comes first, add and Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide, whichever comes first, add and subtract whichever comes first.
Come on, hurry up. We don't have all period for this. Let's go. Everyone's doing it.
Exponents, multiplication, divided, whichever comes first, adding, subtracting, whichever comes first.
Guys, let's go. Come on. We don't have all period.
Grouping, exponent, multiplying, divide, whatever comes first. And subtract, whatever comes first. Grouping, exponents, multiplying, divide, whatever comes first. Adding and subtracting, whatever comes first. Exponents, multiplying, divide, whatever one comes first. And subtracting, whatever one comes first. Sarah? Grouping, exponents, multiplying, divide, whichever one comes first. Adding, subtract, whichever one comes first.
It's one.
Grouping, exponents, multiplying, dividing, whichever comes first. Adding, subtracting, whichever comes first.
Grouping, exponent, multiplying, divide, whatever comes first. Adding, subtracting, whatever comes first. Grouping, exponents, multiplying, dividing, whichever comes first. Adding, subtracting, whichever comes first.
Okay, go ahead.
Grouping, exponents, multiplying, dividing, whichever one comes first. Adding, subtracting, whichever one comes first. Grouping, exponents, multiplying, dividing, whichever comes first. Adding, subtracting, whichever comes first. Grouping, exponents, multiplying and dividing, whichever one comes first. Adding and subtracting, whichever one comes first. Grouping, exponents, multiplying and dividing, whichever one comes first. Adding and subtracting, whichever one comes first.
I'm so glad it was not for my head.
Multiplying and dividing, whichever one comes first. Adding and subtracting, whichever one comes first. Grouping, exponents, multiplying and dividing, whichever comes first. Adding and subtracting, whichever comes first. Grouping, exponents, multiplying, dividing, whichever one comes first. Adding, subtracting, whichever one comes first. Grouping, exponents, multiplying, dividing, whatever one comes first. Adding, subtracting, whatever one comes first.
Grouping, exponents, multiplying, dividing, whichever comes first, and adding, subtracting, whichever comes first. Grouping, exponents, multiplying, dividing, whichever one comes first, adding, subtracting, whichever one comes first.
Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide, whichever comes first. Adding, subtracting, whatever comes first. Exponents, multiplying, dividing, whatever comes first. Adding, subtracting, whatever comes first. Exponents, multiply and divide, whichever one comes first. Adding, subtracting, whichever one comes first.
Grouping, exponents, multiplying, and dividing, whatever comes first. Adding, subtracting, whatever comes first.
Grouping symbols. Accept this one.
Exponents, multiply, and subtract, whichever one comes first.
You missed on it.
Grouping, exponents, multiplying, dividing, whichever one comes first. Adding, subtracting. Grouping, exponents, multiplying, dividing, whichever comes first, and adding, subtracting, whatever comes first.
Grouping, exponents, multiply, divide, whichever one comes first. Adding, subtracting, whichever one comes first. You're very enthusiastic.
Grouping, exponents, multiplying, dividing, whatever comes first. Adding, subtracting, whatever comes first. Grouping, exponents, multiplying, dividing, whichever one comes first. Adding, subtracting, whichever one comes first. Exponents, multiplying and dividing, whichever comes first. Adding and subtracting, whatever comes first.
Grouping symbols, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right. Grouping symbols, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right. Grouping symbols, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right. Grouping symbols, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right. Grouping symbols, exponents, multiply and divide left and right, add and subtract left and right.
Grouping symbols, exponents, multiply
divide left to right, add subtract left to right.
Grouping symbols, exponents, multiplying and dividing left to right, add and subtract left to right.
Groupings, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right.
Grouping, exponent, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right.
Grouping symbols, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right. Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right. Grouping symbols, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right. Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right.
Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, and subtract left to right.
Grouping symbols, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right. Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right. Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right.
Grouping, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, and subtract left to right. Grouping symbols, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right.